Mid to upper 70s, that's below average.
Battery charging. When charger is not connected to the battery, red light is on. The indicator light is flashing when the battery is charging. The indicator light stops flashing when charging is complete. Okay. All right, take the battery out. There's no red light chart. No red light flashing here. Nothing. This battery here, it needs to charge. It's a little bit low. Put it in the charger. Again, no red lights. Okay? I'm supposed to have a red light flashing right here. Right here. Nothing. Plug it in. I get a reading of 12.4 volts. It's been sitting here for 7 hours at this voltage. It is not charging. Again, it's in your instructions, right here. Red light, supposed to be on. Constant. When the battery is not in it, when you put the battery in, it starts blinking. It's not blinking. It doesn't even come on.